Where is up? Is it
Up
through
is-
here?
The other door I welded open, remember?
Yeah, let's go to back down right.
Why did it open completely? We can pick up his welding tool, I guess, if we need to. I'm trying to heal you. Is that a sentry gun? Why not just put
Henry,
it down?
this is Henry's. This is where Henry died. Where? Where was the door you tried to weld open?
North.
here.
Yeah, it's up here to the
I
left.
keep getting fucked in close range. My melee attack is trash.
Oh,
But
you
just
go
let
through
us
it?
fix it.
I thought it could roll through it. Oh my god.
It's like fucking.
Okay.
What is this?
He's trolling.
Yeah.
We still have to fucking beat some boys.
Do we?
You
Oh,
know
right.
it, Adam. There's some person who will beat boys. You know it's us.
It's your
Put
dad.
down the sentry. No, pick it up. Okay.
Are we waiting for like an elevator?
I like that they sound like the Half-Life enemy. Like the big ball guys. 'Cause they obviously look like it. But I love that they sound like it.
Oh,
Just the weird whale sounds.
Oh, I have almost no
Watch out for that gas. Watch out for the gas.
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh,
gas. Oh, we have a big bomber.
oh.
Oh. Oh my god, I'm dead.
Where are you? Oh,
Wow,
did
you
you go
got
there?
far away.
I dropped a fire grenade on the big mortar-looking ass.
I
so-
almost have no ammo by
Yeah, I took some down with me.
Is this activated?
Yeah, it is. You have to wait.
You gotta look at the green dots above the door.
Oh, do you have an adrenaline left?
Yeah, it's up. It's here.
Go,
Hold up. Go. In the elevator. Nice.
I hate it. I hate
I just
it
had
so
it.
much.
I had one friendly fire done. I think that was I accidentally like lit Adam a little bit on fire.
A little bit.
I only had 26.
I just sorta lit him on fire.
I mean, like one.
Damn.
Under the gun. Roll under a swarm ninja.
You can see where I died when I had the full health and all of a sudden 0 health.
Down.
Yeah.
It's unlucky.
Horse is ready. 2, 1.
Yeah, the noises are.
Oh, the noises are horrific.
Killing my ass, yeah. Same.
Sorry about your ass, bro.
Oh, here we go.
Thanks.
5 minutes for this one.
Sewer Junction B5.
And what do we got? Destroy swarm eggs.
You know your boy's gonna pick
Pick
up
up your solo flamer. Let's go.
I'm solo flame. Do we
Wait,
need
there's no
flamer?
biomass this time. It's
Yeah,
only
we don't
eggs.
need. Oh, it's only eggs? Ah, fuck. I'm solo flamer.
20 eggs, mission details.
I don't really like gas grenades. I think they're cool, but.
Why the grenade launcher though, Alda?
Hmm?
Why the grenade launcher though?
Huh? I can't.
Why?
What?
Why the grenade?
Yeah, it's breaking up.
Hello?
Electric charged armor.
Hello, Adam?
So this one.
Grenade launcher?
Okay, so look at the map. Where are we?
No. We're gonna
Oh, do we start in the
down here.
middle? I kind of hope so. I think it's down here though.
Yeah, I think we have to move up here around, and
There's
then
probably some
when we after we seal the tunnel over here, that's when we just gotta fucking start.
Nice. Well, you know what they say.
Guys, you know what they say.
What the fuck?
Who is
Grenade
blue?
launcher does 80 damage per shot.
Who is blue?
I want to die.
Oh,
I wanted to
it's-
make.
Oh
I
I
my
wanted
God.
to make
Jacob.
a. I wanted to make a like a really one of those like
cool.
literal like dyslexic swastikas, but then I actually made a real one.
You're so dyslexic, you made the real sauce. No.
No.
Oh no.
personal healing kit down here to the right.
Oh,
Personal healing
use
kit.
that.
Take
You
the
should use
personal
that.
healing.
It takes a lot of ammo for me to heal you from where you are.
I have one Tesla coil left, by the way, because I used.
Okay, that was a good. There's a chainsaw or something if you want to swap.
Well, are we going or just
Wait, I
finding
Yeah,
around?
let's leave. Let's leave. There's another Tesla coil here.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, here. I need to burn a bit.
Oh wow.
Nice.
Why would you shoot?
I was like, can I shoot up there?
Warning shots.
Down here?
Ow! What the fuck? Ah! Save me! They kill me so fast. I have like no health. If they get close, I'm actually fucked. I also have
Then
no
don't
melee
be
damage stuff.
in rare.
But I'm not in rear. I'm usually right next to you guys, and I still get fucked. Oh, I can shoot that guy, I think.
Oh, what the? Oh, grenade.
Don't stand too close to me.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Doesn't work.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it didn't work.
Down,
Didn't
straight
work.
down there. Just go. Just go. Just go.
Yeah, let's
No,
move.
don't
Move.
let
Move. I'll take point because I'm killing the crabs.
Watch out behind us.
Watch out! I'm reloading. I'm reloading. I'm reloading. I'm going. I'm going.
Grenade. Watch out. Sorry, swap. You're alone.
Yeah, I had to wait for it.
Yeah.
Kill it all here. Kill them all here. I have enough range to do it from range, so that's.
Yeah, we're done. We're done. We need to go down, I think, and can we go down?
Yeah, I think so.
Or up.
Wait, what? I think that just takes us back. We need to go
Yeah.
up.
Yeah. No, I was thinking like if we could turn off those rotors.
Yeah. Nope. Jacob.
We need to call something?
No, I think we're just gonna move through. Nah, never mind. Yeah, I think we we gotta. Something needs to be turned off.
Yeah, but where?
Can we move through it, you think?
There's
No.
ammo.
But can't we go on the ground here to the right? Guys,
No, it's like closed.
really?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh, wait. Do we go through that tunnel right there?
I mean, I'm in the water. Is it closed?
Yeah, right.
Down here?
Yeah, right in front of you. It's closed, right?
This tunnel? No, I meant more to the right.
Yeah,
but
right
you're
where you
right.
are here.
That is weird. But it's an invisible wall. It's bullshit.
Oh, I think I know where it is. I think I know where it is. Heal me, please. Yeah, it's up here. You need to go through past this one.
You need to shoot that thing on the other side.
Okay, now we go.
No, yeah. Watch out,
Watch out
Watch out.
for explosive barrels. Watch out for
Oh,
explosive barrels.
watch out for explosive barrels.
There's one
Shoot
behind
them.
Yeah, but
Not shoot
I'd
it.
rather shoot them now when none of us were there than shoot them later.
Ammo and a vindicator.
Move
rifle
left,
ammo,
move
rifle
left.
ammo.
Shield. It's gonna block. We need to bait it the whole way.
Oh,
Oh, and we're getting fucking barraged.
If you like, yeah, kite it down, and then I'll flame it in the back.
Let's live.
Watch out, spitter.
It's fucking blocking everything. Just fuck off.
oh, one is.
Yeah, guys.
I'm.
Yeah,
I'll go and kill the spitter.
We can
Fuck
just
it.
go.
yeah, I'm in the
let's
end.
go.
We can just go where I am, and we're done.
Jacob, come.
Yeah, but I'm killing the spitter.
I don't care.
Okay.
Use special boosts and spam grenade launcher shots like me.
Hello.
Up here, guys, get up here. Get in here, everyone. Henry, get in here.
Yeah, I'm putting the turret down.
Why?
Why not?
For style points. I got scrambled eggs.
Yeah, same. And
I
zero
did
mortality.
friendly fire damage. Wow.
I did
Yeah.
3 friendly fire.
I only did 8, and I spammed my grenade
I
launcher
did
right at the end.
8. Friendly.
Didn't even hit anyone.
No,
Adam?
Yodam, you did not do 8. You did.
Nah, I did 8, dude. I did 8, dude.
No, I did
Heard of 8?
That was.
It's reverse,
I
Adam.
mean,
You get more
I
points.
presume it was
No,
you
no,
damaging
no.
Henry there, considering where you were. Yeah.
Adam, you get more points the less
130?
friendly fire damage.
Where the fuck? Oh, yeah, I remember when that happened. But
Guys, I need to
he
move
also
myself.
remembers
I'll
it,
be
and it was
right
funny,
back.
so...
We need to take a.
'cause
Yeah.
I was like, oh, can I shoot over
Hold on a
this?
second.
Yeah,
I could not.
But yeah, but you only did that friendly fire damage to yourself.
So I got fucking destroyed.
Yeah.
Sure. The Power Fist, the Desert Eagle, and the Vindicator. My weapon of choice.
When we designed the new iPhone,
We decided with one thing in mind.
it's like the one thing we wanted the most is 6 different cameras so we can watch you guys jerking off at home.
I don't know why. I don't know why Apple
Steve
is like.
Jobs intended.
I don't know why Apple is like Australian or British, but you know. Just
That's the Apple guy after Steve Jobs died. I can't remember what his name was.
Oh yes, the Apple guy. You mean Isaac Newton?
Yeah.
Why it's called Apple and not Apple? You know? Like iPod?
The dots are fucking dumb.
You know,
Well,
like
their first logo was based off of Isaac Newton, so
Apple.
Macintosh is an apple.
Macintosh is a name, you dipshit.
The name of an apple.
It's my father's name. Me father of Clan Macintosh.
Oh, you have it better than me. My potter's a potato.
My potter's a potato.
My potter's a potato.
Fucking Peter Pickle the Picker Packer.
Pickled plum. Oh, you'll not believe what happened to me today, Peter.
Peter.
My
Good
potter ate a
song.
potato.
I
My
know.
padre put his pecker in my pecker.
Jesus Christ.
What?
What the fuck? You put his pecker in your pecker?
In my pelipper?
Oh, no. He's having
My
sex with
padre put his
Pokemon.
pecker in his pelipper.
Is it bestiality to have sex with Pokemon?
Yes. I don't know if we need to have this discussion, but yes,
No
yes.
No. I'm wondering, is there like a different word for it?
No, it's bestiality.
Is it?
But with
Why it's
Pokemon.
bestiality?
But with Pokemon.
Yeah, but there's some like.
Wouldn't it be like...
Yeah, hold up.
No, that doesn't work. They're not kids. I was going to say poke pedophile, but that doesn't make any sense.
I mean, they are. I mean, you can be in like an arachnophile.
Yeah.
You can be a what's it called? A xenophile.
Oh my god.
Listen, I don't think those are the same things. I don't think
I mean,
fuck spiders.
I mean, bestiality, like it's called zoophilia.
Yeah.
So you can definitely be like a
But it would be called like...
pokephilia.
Yeah, but doesn't
I don't
that count
poke is the
animals?
wrong
Do
way you
Pokemon
wanna
count
go.
as animals?
Maybe you want to go like...
Like the streamer? Or?
Yeah.
I mean,
We're all that, right, buddy?
I have a wow.
Jesus Christ.
Pokemane? More like. Yeah, I don't know.
Nice.
More like Pokey.
These nuts.
Yeah, I don't know. Have you guys watched Mind Goblin? Missed a meme? Can't believe.
Dude, it's funny. I was listening to a song with my sister, and there's a part where she says, like, the singer goes like, "We don't belong," and like I could not hear that correctly. My brain went, "We don't go out," and I'm like, I can't understand how that's possible to mix those up. Like it's some sort of, it's like the fucking optical illusions where you're like, oh, it's like this color.
Yeah.
Like fucked with my brain. Like I couldn't hear it in that room. Go into the next room, I hear it perfectly fine. It's yeah.
Belong and go out doesn't seem like.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I don't know
Yeah.
how the fuck that works.
Was it in English or Swedish?
No, it was in English.
Oh god.
So it was exactly that.
But that's kind of bad.
It's some fucking crazy shit, though.
It's kind of. Not great.
I'm named.
In
I'm
the
You're
name.
unnamed.
I'm an elite.
We're unnamed. We don't belong. Unnamed.
highest damage we can have per
Shall I
shot?
go NVGs? Love NVGs. Or grenades. Cluster grenades. Oh, maybe not.
Damn.
So,
Okay, so the highest damage weapon is not the grenade launcher, Adam. It's the fucking Model 35 pump action shotgun. It's 175 damage per shot.
Nice.
The grenade launcher
I mean, I didn't
only.
expect the grenade launch to be at the top.
I mean, the grenade launcher only has like 80 plus 40.
Yeah.
And I think the plus 40 is my buff, so I guess it has like 80.
Yeah, it's 80 base for sure.
Yeah. The Vindicator is 175 for me.
Yeah, I mean, if the fucking Deagle is higher damage, I know that much. Dude, I've like fired up the grenade launcher like 3 times on myself and I've been fine.
Really makes a fella wonder. Why male models?
what?
Why male models?
We had a nude drawing class once, and the lady who we were drawing was once came back from the bathroom and had toilet paper between her butt cheeks.
That's funny.
Why? Why?
I don't
And
really
then
like.
my friend was like, do we have to draw the toilet paper also?
Wait, you had a nude, like,
Yeah,
A
we
nude
drew
model?
nude model.
Yeah.
Yes, it is like
Anatomy, baby.
a
Geographically, no.
60-year-old lady who was very overweight. And
I mean,
then
yeah.
when we had like after a break, she came back from the bathroom and she had the toilet paper between her butt cheeks.
I feel like you don't volunteer as a nude model if you're not like 60 plus and overweight.
No, that's not true, dude.
Adam is volunteered as a nude model for
I'm
many.
saying that
many
depends on
school
where you are.
photography sessions.
I'm betting. I'm betting it's different in
Class photo. Adam is like, wouldn't it be
environment.
funny if we all undressed and we were naked for this class photo, right, guys? Right?
It would be funny if the class photo was everyone clothed but me. I'm just sitting there, mugging the camera, baby. I got a tight cross though, so they don't see anything. You know. Keep
Oh,
it
what?
clean. Tight cross with my legs.
Ah,
You know, when you have a tight cross.
Yeah, no, you do the tight cross, but you put the package above the tight
yeah,
cross,
I'm like gonna laugh.
which is a lot more
Which is-
fun.
It's a lot more natural.
A
Yeah,
lot
it's
more
like
natural,
a
yeah.
nest for bird eggs, you know.
Oh yes, Mama Bird is coming back to feed.
Just fucking throw up on your lap.
That is, it's funny. It's funny to know that.
regurgitates on your penis. Just I mean, I've seen it happen. Like, it could happen to anyone.
I've often fucking snuck underneath
Yeah,
Fucking-
what up?
a bird's nest and just like laid supine, just poked through, praying to God a bird would feed me.
Just sticking your lips through the bottom of the bird nest. Go, yeah, I mean,
We've all been there.
yeah, I mean, sometimes you know, money is hard to come by. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do to survive. You know,
A starving student has to, do stuff to get eat.
it's like a glory hole, but very, very different.
Well, less protein.
Less.
Yeah.
You've been on the wrong end of the glory hole, my friend.
A boy's gotta eat.
Wrong hole was on the glory hole.
Don't know what type of glory hole you're going to, but the glory holes I've been going to, I get plenty of protein.
There, I'm back. My apologies for taking so long.
They just put like a whole fucking baguette out the hole. Like, take a bite of this one.
It's a full like jelly sandwich. That's a lot of meat.
Jacob, explain. What the fuck are you talking about? Three with no ammo!
It's not onslaught. We can just take our time. Oh my fucking god.
No, fuck you guys.
I'm watching on die slow motion.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, everyone does. As soon as someone
I'm
dies.
watching Henry
My point is that
dying.
I would not have helped.
motion.
Yeah, not with that attitude.
I mean, I noticed that Henry started phoning it in really hard when I died.
Oh, you mean he used his jump pack and then used it all 3 times
I
jumping
thought
at
I could destroy the thing with
You
those.
jumped in front of my mining
we-
laser.
I thought
Phil,
you take those to destroy the fucking organic matter.
Guys, our mission failed because we used up all the mining laser ammo. What the fuck?
No,
What were you
it was
doing?
because the tech died. It was because the tech died.
Really? It didn't say
Yeah.
that for me.
No, it sounds.
I didn't even think we had tech.
By the way, if you're not
Oh,
aware
Henry's
how
thing.
we do this mission, we go to the top, then we go back to the middle, and then to the right.
Yeah,
I should have gone grenade launcher like in this
we know.
setup.
Not because we sat here and waited for you for 10 minutes.
And that's why I said if you are not aware.
Heavy rifle sucks.
I mean, we
dick,
weren't
dude.
talking
Oh
about the
God.
mission, we were talking about the glory holes.
Jesus
Shh.
fucking Christ.
But that's part of the mission. The mission is.
I'm
the
getting
glory.
my sniper rifle and I'm shooting Jacob in the face. No,
That
Henry in
feels
the face.
unproductive.
You guys get to pick 2 guns for every map. I mean, come on. Oh my god, my medical gun is self.
Why
Hold
do
on.
you have a fucking grenade launcher?
I forgot it's self-heal now.
Why?
It's so I don't waste ammo. Because you can't
What?
use the grenade
But
launcher a
then you
lot.
complain that you can't do shit because you can't do shit.
Not when they're close.
General.
I can do
Period.
everything.
I think this
Grenade
map.
launcher is super good.
I think on this map the grenade launcher is not that good.
No,
'cause
but
we're
it's
gonna be
good
a lot.
as shit. Like in the
No,
last
it
section,
isn't.
it's so free by grenade launcher.
No, it is.
We'll see.
Yeah, it is. You
We'll
can
see.
fire from like outside the map. You can lob over your teammates. It's excellent.
All right, the bomb's just up
Okay,
ahead.
I got her 6. Henry, don't have to read the
Big one.
PSAs.
No, I want the
BD.
achievement. Did they give an achievement?
D8.
I don't
Big
know.
one.
Henry, you don't have to read. Oh, good.
Henry, you can't read.
Face huggers.
Call me out in public.
Into the nest. Remember, losing this fight is not an option.
Henry, stop
Yes.
reading. You know damn well
I'm
you
trying
can't
to
do that.
learn!
I like that he
I
says
can-
losing is not an option. Was it ever an option? Did we have a choice?
Yes.
What the fuck? What is that? Flyers? They can go to hell. Watch out.
Why
the
am I using my
flyers.
bad?
Reloading.
Go to the left. Kill the swarm.
Oh,
I'll go over here. I get killed by the swarm. It's a perfect combo.
Just tell me if you're getting low so I can adrenaline and help you out. If you're getting swarmed.
Stop shooting me.
don't go in front of my fire, you on.
Can you shoot these guys?
Hey, I'm low.
Oh,
Can someone else
Why are
take
you
that?
shooting me?
sorry, I thought you were an enemy.
Yes,
Now I am.
We need
Still
to,
shoot 'em.
Henry, we need to work on your eyesight.
I have glasses. Don't.
Yeah,
We still need. That doesn't mean we don't have to work on it.
Hey,
If you
get
think
the door
he
open.
is-
Working on. I don't know what that means.
I don't know. Get better glasses.
I don't want
Just look harder. What do you mean?
to look harder.
Just look better, Henry.
Well, you know, that's advice for Jacob, but don't worry about it.
Hey.
I'll have you
Oh
know.
my god! Why you shoot me?
Oh, that was that.
And should you?
Oh,
Oh wait,
Bottom
I
is
can
dead.
save myself. I just forgot I could.
Can I punch it off you?
Can you stop doing that? I need
I
to
punched it off you.
disinfect myself.
Yeah, I thought my.
We have another one. We have another one. We have another one.
Yeah,
Be
we
careful.
gotta open the. We gotta call the thing to the right and then walk across. Alright, I
You-
call the thing. Let's move. Let's move. We can't stay here.
Pick it back up. Pick it back
Yeah,
up.
I'm taking it. I'm taking it up. Hey!
You're not taking shit. Let's go. No, you're dead.
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Your definition of fine is very different
Not
from mine.
fine is.
I'm not
Maybe not.
dead, so that's good.
No, you're
Don't
alive.
walk through that. Let's just wait.
I only have 1 adrenaline left.
Oh!
I actually don't have a lot of medic gun ammo left, so let's go, guys.
Oh, we got.
Oh! Ow!
Holy what?
I need ammo, fuck!
Oh, it's a shield. So we run past, or
Aye!
what the fuck? It
Mortar,
disappeared.
I
of
mean,
course.
we're gonna need to kill them eventually.
Guys, Henry is falling behind and
Come
dying.
on, ammo.
Shield, guys. Ammo.
Oh my god. Sorry, Arn, you walked straight in front of me there. Watch out, fire grenade.
Absolutely fine, as long as I survive.
Yeah, my medical gun is at 11, so that's bad. Facehugger.
That is why I
Let's
had
go.
a personal heal kit, so I didn't have to take your ammo.
Watch out. Okay, I need
Mining laser. Fucking go closer, yeah.
Alright.
How's it going?
Mining laser. Alright, we can go through.
Yeah.
We can go through.
Well, rest in peace, turret.
Once
Tourette's.
the warhead is in position, activate the detonation sequence. After that, you're gonna need to backtrack your
If
way
you have to
up
be up here, it's very funny.
zone.
Don't think you have to be up here.
No, it's just an
Only one of us?
There's loads of infestors down here. I need it.
Oh well, we're taking the bridge, so
And
I
have a
made the
great
wrong
one.
call because this is just.
well, good luck with whatever you're doing.
Are you making your way back?
Unless someone has to actually press that green button over there.
Oh, yes.
Come. I mean, we can always just jump down.
Yeah, I mean it isn't. No.
Okay, yeah.
It's just that there's a ton of infestors here. That's the only thing. Like, oh,
Watch out.
yeah, there's one on the roof, and one back here.
This one.
Tech
Oh,
only.
it's a hacky.
Personal healing kit.
Yeah.
Don't mind if I do.
Access denied. Oh my god, I don't know how
Guys,
to
get
play
ammo
this
back here.
minigame.
There we go.
Okay, I'm gonna take some ammo.
Alright, squad.
There we
the
go.
clock is ticking.
Guys,
Let's
get
go.
up.
We gotta backtrack.
Okay, we gotta go back.
We need to backtrack. We need to run fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All day.
Running in the
We
90s.
speed run. We speed run.
I am point.
Why don't we use the bridge? Or do we actually have to run away
We have
from
to
here?
run.
We're running down here. Down.
Oh my god.
Switch to your weapons, but run faster. But you run fast with.
I just have high speed naturally,
I
so.
only have one
but I don't.
weapon.
Stop shooting me in the back. Watch out, facehuggers!
Facehugger.
On his head.
I don't think I can save you, but I'll try.
On, come here.
No, I
Come
need
here.
to cure him.
You need to be high
I think
speed,
he's
low drag
fine, maybe?
operation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I really.
I have personal heal kit.
Ah!
I don't have any
Oh.
more heals, so yeah.
over
that's
here,
all we
Yeah,
have.
just
Here,
right.
over here.
Right.
We just gonna go far right now. 2v far right.
Is it a hack? Nope. I wish it was a hack, actually. Running in the 90s.
Henry, can you fucking open?
That
I'm
fucking hurt.
opening it. Oh.
Henry,
Jacob, was that an incendiary grenade?
Yeah.
Kind of fucked
can
me
you
in the ass.
please?
But
Yeah,
please,
Yeah, I
we are
am
all
opening
fucking
it.
through.
we're all gonna die, so it's fine.
There we go.
I
Run.
have no more
Oh
ammo.
my god, run!
Do you have
Where
adrenaline?
are we? Where are we going?
To the right!
Oh, sit down here.
Jesus Christ, Henry!
Oh, I went up, dude.
Under! God
go,
damn!
go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We go, dude.
Go! I was. Yo, you didn't see fucking Henry locking me behind a thing for fucking 5 times in a row, whatever it's like. Holy shit, Henry! Oh, it's the ship!
My health is so low.
I genuinely don't want you to have that anymore. Jesus Christ, that is
Ship!
Get on the ship!
Run!
Yeah, we made it!
Yay, we did it!
Jacob's rest.
Hey, it's me.